Hello everyone, and thanks for checking out our channel, where it's our goal to create a community of informed traders and investors by sharing technical analysis and collaborating together to ace the charts. We look forward to working with you, so let's get started. Looking at SPY on the weekly time frame, and you can see on this bounce we have the potential to set our 8th green candle in a row on the weekly time frame. We are currently trading above the 12, 26, and 55 period exponential moving averages, as well as the middle Bollinger Band, which you can see in white here, as we approach the resistance of 280.40 on the weekly time frame. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see our last higher low level of support here at 267.83. From here we made a higher high and topped out today at 275.93, closing the day with a bearish candle with an upper wick of profit taking. So this is the range we are now watching on the daily chart. As long as the bulls hold 267.83 support, they will keep control of the daily chart. Notice that we have a 12 and 26 period exponential moving average bullish cross, and the bulls are maintaining the 12 period EMA as support. Up here you can see our weekly resistance at 280.40, and notice down here our RSI level is beginning to approach overbought conditions. Let's take a look now at the hourly time frame. On the hourly chart, support levels to watch: 273.88, and above that at 274.55. Resistance is the high of today at 275.95, so that's the tightening range we will be watching on the hourly time frame. Notice that we have another bullish cross of the 12 and 26 period EMAs. The bulls will want to hold that 12 period EMA as support. Let's take a look now at XLK, or the technology sector. XLK on the daily chart, our last higher low level of support is 66.95. Resistance, the high of today at 69.45, and then our weekly resistance up here at 69.71. XLK also has the bullish cross of the 12 and 26 period EMAs on the daily chart, and the bulls have been grinding up this 12 EMA as support. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, we had a potential double bottom here at 68.92, and then support below that at 68.81. The bulls will want to maintain that 12 and 26 period EMA as support. Let's take a look now at XLF, or the financial sector. XLF on the daily chart, support level to watch 25.34, and then resistance, the high of today at 26.43, so that's the range I'm watching. The bulls will want to maintain that 12 period EMA and middle Bollinger Band as support. Let's zoom into the hourly time frame. On the hourly chart, you can see that we closed at the low of the day, and you can see support here at 26.13, below that, and another level down here at 25.63. Let's take a look now at QQQ, or the NASDAQ 100. Triple Qs on the daily chart, support level 166.57, resistance, the high of today at 172.16. You can see we are approaching the weekly resistance of 173.31. The bulls breaking to a higher high today, but closed near the low of the day. Let's zoom into the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, you can see a potential double bottom here at 170.82. Below that, we have support levels at 170.54, and then down here at 167.99. The bulls will want to try and maintain that 12 period EMA as support if possible and stay in this range. Let's take a look now at IWM, or the Russell 2000. IWM on the daily chart, support level at 148.39. The bulls have been grinding up this 12 period EMA, and we topped out today at 153.76 as we are approaching the weekly resistance of 154.48. Let's zoom into the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, support level at 152.71, and then below that here at 152.55. So that's the range we'll be watching going into Thursday. Let's take a look now at the VIX, or the volatility index. The VIX on the daily chart continuing to make lower lows and lower highs. You can see that it is meeting resistance at the 12-period EMA here. Let's zoom into the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, you can see time and time again that the bulls are rejected from the 12 and 26 period EMAs. So the resistance level to break for me right now is 1591, and the bulls have got to get over the 12 and 26 period EMAs. So if the bulls cannot break through those resistance levels, we will be looking for lower lows again, and 1511 is the level to watch for support. Let's take a look at US oil. Oil on the daily chart, support level is 51.22 to watch. We've had a bit of a bounce, and our resistance up here at 55.73. The bulls will want to set a lower high compared to 55.73, set a higher low, and then break to a higher high to change the trend back in the bulls' favor on the daily chart. Let's zoom in to the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, resistance level at 54.58, and then support at 53.78, and down here at 53.26. The bulls have been slowly grinding up the 12 and 26 period EMA, and if we zoom out to the 4-hour chart, you can see that we now have our third inside bar in a row, so we'll be watching that tightening range. Let's take a look now at natural gas. Natural gas on the daily time frame, making lower highs and lower lows, having trouble with the resistance of the 12 period EMAs. Let's zoom into the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, have a bit of a double bottom here at 2603, and resistance up here at 2659, and notice again on the hourly chart the bulls having trouble breaking through the resistance of the 12 period EMA and the middle Bollinger Band. So in order to gain any traction, we've got to break through those EMAs and the resistance of 2659. Thanks everyone for checking out our channel. If you find these videos helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers so we can continue to create more free content. Also, if you are interested in helping us build a community to collaborate together, click the link in the description of this video to sign up. It's free to join, so do it today, and let's work together to ace the charts.